Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to invest in ETFs on Fidelity. There are a couple of ways to invest in ETFs on Fidelity. The first is online trading. How you want to do this is to access your Fidelity account online, and then you want to choose the trade option and select ETFs. Now you need to enter the ETF symbol or name to search for the ETF that you want to invest in, and then just review the ETF's profile, including its investment objectives, holdings, and performance. And then you want to enter the number of shares that you want to buy and select the order type. That could be a market order, a limit order, and whatnot. And then just review the trade details and confirm the order. Now for mobile app trading, what you want to do is to open the Fidelity mobile app on your device and then choose the trade option and then select ETFs, and then just follow the same steps as the online trading process to complete that. Now for phone trading, what you want to do here is to call Fidelity's trading desk. The number is right there on the screen, and then that will connect you to a trading representative. Then you just got to share the ETF symbol and order details with that person and confirm the trade details, and they're going to help you to get that done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to invest in ETFs on Fidelity. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.